Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nagesh Krasgi Orchid School channel. I am Miss Nikita teacher teaching you social studies for grade 3. Yes children? In the previous session what we have learned? Yeah, we have learned about lesson number 2, that is means of communication. Yeah, in today's session we are going to learn lesson number 2 only, but we are going to solve textbook exercise. In the previous session we have read the book textbook, we have saw some presentation, animation, and we have solved some question and answers, and we have seen some interactive tasks. But today we are going to solve textbook exercise and some enrichment activity we are going to see. Now previously what we have learned in this lesson, what is meant by communication. Communication is nothing but sending and receiving message from one person to another, that is known as communication. Even we have learned different types of communication. We have learned 6 main different types of communication, that is telephone communication, postal system communication, and even we have learned mass media, mass communication, satellite, internet and email, and smartphone and e-reader. This type of communication we have learned in detail. Today we are going to solve textbook exercise. Before solving textbook exercise, you have to open your Canopy textbook. Term 2 Canopy textbook, and you have to open page number 12. Okay. Along with while solving textbook, you need pencil and eraser. You have to write with pencil. Okay children, are you ready? Okay, come on, take out your textbook. Let's start solving exercise. Okay children, which exercise we are going to solve? Lesson number 2, page number 12. Which page number you are going to take out? Page number 12. Okay. Yeah, exercise. In number A, exercise A, what we are going to do? Write T for true and F for false statement, false sentence. Okay. We are going to see true or false. Okay. True means what? Correct. False means what? Wrong. Okay. Number 1, long ago trained pigeon delivered letters. Yes children, in this lesson what we have learned? Long ago trained pigeons delivered letter. Is it true or false? Yes children, give me the answer. What will be the answer? Yes. In the long ago we used to train pigeons to deliver message. That's why the answer is what? True. Write the answer true. T-R-U-E, true. Otherwise you can write T also. Okay. Next question, number 2. Letters can reach faster than emails. Letters reach faster than emails. Yes, letters reach faster than emails. No. Now emails if we do, within a few minutes we can send the emails. But letters, can it reach faster? No. That's why the answer is what? False. F-A-L-S-E, false. Yes children, understood? Next, number 3. Television is the most popular means of mass communication in our country. Yes children, which is the most popular means of mass communication in our country? Is it right? Television is the most popular means of mass communication in our country? Yes, give me the answer. Yes. Of course, television is the most popular means of mass communication in our country. What will be the answer? The answer is true. Write the spelling of true, T-R-U-E, true. Next is, a fax machine is not connected to a telephone line. A fax machine is not connected to a telephone line. Give me the answer children. Is it? Yes. The answer is what? Yes children. What will be the answer? Of course the answer is false. It is not connected to the telephone line. F-A-L-S-E, false. Now number 5. India has the largest postal service in Asia. Yes children, India has the largest postal service in Asia. Of course, India is the largest postal service in Asia. What will be the answer? The answer is true. T-R-U-E, true. Yes children, understood? Let us revise once again. Long ago, trained pigeons delivered letters. Answer is true. Number 2, letters reach faster than emails. Answer is false. Television is the most popular means of mass communication in our country. Answer is true. A fax machine is not connected to a telephone line. False. India has the largest postal service in Asia. Answer is true. Understood? Yeah. Have you wrote this answer? Okay. Next question. We are going to solve that. Correct these jumbled words to get communication words. These are the jumbled words and we are going to make a words to get a communication words. Yeah, already we have learned different types of communication. Yes, children. Now tell me which communication words we can make from this N, W, S, P, R, E, P, E, A. Yes, children. Give me the answer. What will be the correct answer? Yes. Answer is newspaper. What is the spelling of newspaper? I told you to read whichever hard words you find. You have to underline those words and you are going to read those words 5 times. Now come on, tell me the spelling of newspaper. What is the spelling of newspaper, children? Yes. Right. N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R. Newspaper. Understood? Yes, children? Done? Yes, children, done? Okay. Next, what you can see? Yes, S-T-L-I-T-E-L-E-A. What will be the answer? What will be the answer, children? Yes. Yes, what will be the communication word? Yes, satellite. Tell me the spelling of satellite. Yes, S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E. Satellite. Done, children? Wrote? Yes. Yes, children, done. Next word, what we are going to see? Which is the next word? T-E-S-L-N-E-V-I-O-I. Yes, which word will be the mass? Which word we can get? Communication. Which communication word we can make? Yes, give me the answer. Yes. Tell me the spelling of television. Yes. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Television. Done, children? Okay. Next word, what we can make next word? Communication. Which communication we can make next word? E-I-L-M-A. Yes, come on, answer me. Yes, the correct answer is email. E-M-A-I-L. Email. Done, children? Okay, let's repeat again. First is newspaper, second one is satellite, third one is television, and fourth one is email. Done, children? Have you wrote the answers? Okay. Can we go further? Okay, next question. What you are going to see in the next question? Arrange this in increasing order of times taken for message to be delivered. What you are going to do in this question? You are going to arrange this. Increasing order of time, which is time is taking more, and for message to be delivered. Yes, children. What options they have gave? First is telephone. Number 2 is postcard. Third one is email, and fourth one is courier mail. Come on, children. Which is the increasing? Arrange this in increasing order of time taken for message to be delivered. Yes. Yeah. Who is taking much time to deliver message? Yeah. First, we are going to write with the fast message we can deliver by which thing? By telephone, postcard, email, or courier mail. Yes, of course, telephone we can reach. The message we can give immediately. The number 1 is what? Telephone. And again second, which is the fastest? Which message we can deliver fast? Yes, children. Which thing? Yes, of course, email. Number 2 is email. And number 3 is courier mail. And last one is postcard. Done, children? Yes? Now already we have done. Again we will see. First is telephone, second one is email, third one is courier mail, and fourth one is postcard. Done, children? Okay, understood? Okay, now we will solve the next question. Answer the following question. Children, tell me what is the meaning of communication? Yes, children, give me the answer. What is the meaning of communication? Every time we have learned now what is our lesson name? Means of communication. Yes, children? Yes, give me the answer first. What will be the answer? Yes, children? Yeah, communication means what? Sending and receiving message is called communication. Number 2 is what? How do post office help us communicate? Yes? Yes, give me the answer. How it helps us to communicate? Yes, post offices help us by delivering letters, telegrams and parcels to people who want to communicate. Number 3, how were messages sent in the olden days? In the olden days, how we were used to send messages? Yeah, messages were sent through carry pigeons in those days. Now tell me what is the meaning of mass media? Number 4, what is the meaning of mass media? Yeah, the means of communicating to a large number of people at same time is called mass media. To communicate to people at the same time is known as mass media. Number 5, what is the advantage of telephone? Tell me the advantage of telephone. What we can do with the telephone? What is the advantage? Yes, a telephone helps us speak to anybody in any part of the country or any part of the world instantly, or any part of the country. In any part of the world we can speak with the help of telephone. Yes, children? Number 6, what has made communicating through computer possible? Yes, children, what will be the answer? We require that through computers, what thing is necessary? What possible computer is made thing that we can connect with people easily? Yes, the internet has made communicating through computers possible. Next question. Mention a few modern means of communication. Yes, children, tell me which is the modern means of communication. Yes, like computers are there, mobile phones, emails, smartphones and fax machines are all means of modern communication. Yes, children, understood? Okay. Sure. Okay, next question we will solve. Okay. That is multiple choice question. Now tell me what is this? Urgent written message can be sent through pigeon, speed post or magazine. Yes, children, what will be the answer? Yeah, if we want to send an urgent message, what we will do? We will send by pigeon? No. We will send by speed post? Yes. What is the correct answer? Speed post. Done, children? Next question is what? The fastest means of communication is speed post. A1, B1 is newspaper and C1 is telephone. Give me the answer, children. Which is the fastest means of communication? Of course, telephone is the fastest means of communication. We can send a written document instantly through a fax machine, courier or newspaper. Yes, children, give me the answer. What will be the correct answer? Yes, number A, that is fax machine. Number 4, we can see live telecast of events because of A1 is computers, B1 is satellites and C1 is mobile phone. Yes, children, if we want to see a live telecast event, what is necessary? Yes, of course, Satellite is necessary because we are connecting with the satellite, then only we can see the live telecast events. Yeah, the answer is B, satellites. Again, let us revise this multiple choice question. Urgent written messages can be sent through speed post. The fastest means of communication is the telephone. We can send a written document instantly through a fax machine. We can see live telecast of events because of satellites. Understood, children? Okay, let us see the next question, that is HOTS, think and answer. HOTS question we are going to discuss, that we are going to think and we are going to give the answer. Understood, children? Come on. What will be the, which is the question? Yeah, which means of communication would each of these people use? Yeah, we are going to see. First, what communication they are going to use? Salim's father is ill. Yeah, what here is Salim's father is ill. He wants to call for an ambulance. Yes, children, Salim's father is ill and he wants to call for an ambulance. What he will do? What means of communication he will use? Yes, children, of course. Give me the answer. Which communication he will use? A telephone or a mobile he can use. Right here answer, a telephone, T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, telephone. Understood? Number 2, Anu wants to send a birthday card to her mother. If Anu wants to send a birthday card to her mother, which means of communication she will use? Yes, she will use a postal service communication. Understood? P-O-S-T-A-L, postal service. She will post a letter in a postal service, okay? To send her letter, so to send a birthday card to her mother. Understood, children? Okay, shall I erase this? Okay. Next one. Next page, children. Take out the next page. Yeah, number 3, what is this? Lakshmi wants to know about the weather in Delhi. Now Lakshmi wants to know about the weather in Delhi. What she will do? Yeah, what she will do? Yeah, she will use my fax machine, or what she will use? Yes, children? Fax machine, television. Which means of communication she will use? Telephone. Yes, children, tell me. Lakshmi wants to know about the weather in Delhi. What she will use? She will use television, or she can use mobile phone. Yes, to know the weather in Delhi. Okay, right here mobile or television. With the help of news, we can get news from news channel. We can come to know what is the weather in Delhi, or even we can search on mobile also what is the climate, what is the weather in Delhi. Now number 4 is what? Roy wants to see. Roy wants to see the Republic Parade. Yes, Roy wants to see the Republic Parade. What he will do? Yeah, he will watch television. Yes, what will be the answer? Television, T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Okay, children? Yes, again I will repeat number 3. Lakshmi wants to know about the weather in Delhi. Which means of communication she will use? She will either use mobile or television. Number 4, Roy wants to see the Republic Day parade. What means of communication he will use? Yeah, of course, television. Next question is what? Can animals communicate with each other? Yes, children, what is the question? Can animals communicate with each other? Give examples to support your answer. What will be the answer? Yes, children? Yes? Okay. These animals can communicate through their calls, sense of touch and smell. How the animals communicate? By calling, or by feeling, or by the sense of touch. Okay? or by either by smell. When, for example, when a crow is heard, other crows caw loudly. How the crow makes a noise? Caw, caw. If the one crow is getting hurt, what the crow will do? Caw, caw. Loudly and try to help. They will call all of them by making caw, caw. When a new, again one more example, when a new calf is born, the mother cow licks it and urges it to get up. Yes, what the animals, how they will communicate? By their calls, sense or touch, or by smell. Understood, children? Okay. Now what we are going to discuss? We are going to see about enrichment activity. Yes. Find out. What are the enrichment activity? Find out. Visit a post office and find out the cost of inline letter, a postcard and an envelope. Also find out the cost of sending a letter by courier. Yes, children. What you are going to do in this? You are going to visit to a post office. Yes. When you visit to the post office, what you are going to do? You are going to find out the cost of, already teacher has taught you in post office what we are doing, what works the postal workers they are doing, and which materials we are getting from the post office. Then what you are going to do first? You are going to visit to the post office and you are going to find out the cost of an inline letter. What is the cost of an inline letter? What is the cost of postcard and an envelope? And even also you are going to find the cost of sending a letter by courier. Suppose you want to send a letter fast, then what cost the courier is taking? You are going to find out these things. Okay, children? Next one is what? Write a letter to a classmate describing your summer holidays. Write the address clearly on an envelope and post it. What you can do? Suppose you went to the summer vacation. You have enjoyed summer holidays and you have to write a letter to your classmate. And you are going to write an address. If you are writing the address, what is necessary, children? Yes, pin code is necessary. Without pin code, we can't send the letter properly because the letters can't reach safely. That's why pin code is necessary. Then you have to write the letters, how you spend the summer holidays, and you are going to post. And don't forget the pin code. See how much time it takes for a letter to reach. While writing, you will come to know how much time it takes for the letter to reach. Okay, children? Now what you are going to do? Next thing, project work. Choose any one of the means of communication and to do a project on it. You could prepare charts, models, or make a presentation. Yes, children? This thing you are going to do. Okay, project work. What you are going to do? You are going to choose any one means of communication, whichever you like. As we have learned different 6 means of communication. What are those? Apart from that 6 means of communication, whichever communication you like, you can select one communication and you can make a project on it. And you can prepare charts, or even you can prepare models or make a presentation on it. Now next is what? Role play. Imagine you are a person who cannot speak. Suppose you imagine yourself that you are a person who cannot speak. How will you communicate with your friends and family and demonstrate? You can role play this activity at your home. Yes, children, you have to imagine yourself that you can't speak. Then how will you communicate with your friends and family? You are going to demonstrate with your family member, okay? But now we are not at school. That's why if we are at school, we might have played this role play activity in the class. But this role play activity you are going to do at home with your mama, papa, or your friends, or your cousins or sister, brother, okay? You can role play this activity. Hands on. Next is what? Hands on. Let us erase this. Hands on. What are you going to do in this? Collect postage stamps of different countries and make your own stamp album. What are you going to do? Suppose this activity is not compulsory. Whichever activity is compulsory, I will WhatsApp on group that which activity you are going to make. But I am going to explain all this activity, enrichment activity. Whichever is required, I will send you on WhatsApp group. That activity only you have to do. Okay, children? Collect, number 1, collect postage stamps of different countries and make your own stamp envelope. What you are going to do? You are going to collect the postage stamp of different countries and you are going to make your own stamp envelope. If you don't have a real stamp, you can get on internet also what are the different stamps. It is there, you can see and you can collect and you can make your own stamp album. Number 2, make an envelope with a waste paper. This activity I will give you because how to make an envelope you are going to make an envelope make an envelope with waste paper to make your own envelope. This activity compulsory you have to do. Okay, whichever activity you have to do, I will WhatsApp on group. Then how to do envelope I will tell you. You have to take an old envelope and open it out. You have to take an old envelope and you have to open it out fully. Okay, and what next you are going to do? Place the old envelope on a sheet of waste paper. You are going to paste this old envelope on a sheet of waste paper and trace around it. You have to take an old envelope and you have to completely open it and you have to place that old envelope on a sheet of waste paper and you have to trace around it. Cut out the paper in the shape of the envelope. How you are going to do? You are going to cut out the paper in the shape of envelope. Then what you are going to do? Fold the new envelope in the same shape. First what you are going to do? You are going to fold the new envelope in a same shape as old one was. How was the old one? Envelope was there, that in that way only you have to fold the old one envelope. And what you are going to do? Stick the side and the bottom of flap together. Again what you are going to do? You are going to stick the side and bottom of flap together, comparing those old envelope and waste paper envelope, whichever you are making. Then what you are going to do? Paint the cover in colorful colors. Stick a small piece of white paper on front of the envelope for writing the address. Understood, children? How to make an envelope? Okay. Next one is what? Life skill and values. What is next one? Life skill and values. Okay, next see. Learning to communicate, developing sensitive towards differently abled. How much time do you spend with your grandparents? Yes, children. How much time you are spending with your grandparents? What you are going to do? You are going to make it a point to spend time with them every day. Every day you have to spend time with them. If you don't have grandparents living with you, spend time with an elderly person you know. Okay, as you are having a neighbors, wherever you find the elderly person, you can talk with them, you can spend the time with them. Ask them to tell you how they spend their leisure time when they were young. When they were young, where they spend their life, you have to ask them. Tell them how do you spend your day. Okay, children? Understood? Now next is what? Visit a school for people who cannot hear or speak. What you are going to do? You are going to visit a people who cannot hear or speak. If there is one in your city or a town, observe how they communicate through sign language. Share your experience with your classmates. You could even watch news being telecast for people who cannot hear or speak. You can even watch a telecast. The people who cannot hear or speak, either to Go and observe them. You can even see the telecast also. Okay, children? Understood? Yes? Now once again, whatever we have already solved the textbook exercise. Okay, children? Now let us see some this enrichment activity of lesson number 1. For that sake, what you are going to do? You are required to open page number 6. Let us see lesson number 1, enrichment activity. Okay, children? What is there in enrichment activity? First is what? Yes, children. Number page 6 number page have you opened? Page number 6. Already we have solved textbook exercise of lesson number 1, but we are going to solve today enrichment activity of lesson number 1 also. Now what you are going to see? Speak out. Means of transport are both a blessing and curse. Have a debate on this topic in class, but we are not in the class, we are at home. You can make a debate with your cousin also. Next is artwork. Draw and color any 5 means of transport you see around you. You have to draw it and color it. Any 5 means of transport around whichever you can see. Now next is what? Puzzle time. Complete the puzzle using the given clues. Now this is down and this is across. Down and across we are going to solve. First one is an aircraft with rotating blades on top. What will be the answer, children? Yes, an aircraft with rotating blades on top. Yes. Yes, yes. Which one is the rotating blade on the top like a fan? Yes. Yes, it is helicopter. Write the answer. Helicopter. Helicopter. Next is what? A ship is a means of dash transport. How is the ship is the means of dash transport? Which transport ship is? Water transport. What will be the answer? WATER. Water. Understood? Yes, children. Ship is known as ship is the means of water transport. Next is what we are going to solve about across. A boat which runs on steam. Which boat runs on steam? Yes, children. Yes, steamer. 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 Understood? Next one is a cycle with 3 wheels used to carry people. Which is the 3 cycle wheel used to carry people? Yes, children. If we don't have any bike or car, then how we will go? By which means of transport we can reach? We can go from near place or far places? Yeah, by auto rickshaw. We can say rickshaw. 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 Next one is what? A horse-drawn carriage. The horse-drawn carriage. What will be the answer, children? Horse-drawn carriage. It is nothing but a tanga. TONGA. Tanga. Okay, understood? A land transport that moves on rails. Which is the transport moves on rail? Yes, you can easily answer. Yes, correct. TRAIN. Train. Understood, children? Done? Okay? Okay, I will give you a minute to write the answer. Okay, let us revise once again. An aircraft with rotating blade on top is helicopter. A ship is a means of water transport. A boat, next one across, a boat which runs on steam is what? Steamer. And a cycle with 3 wheels used to carry people is known as rickshaw. A horse-drawn carriage is known as tanga. A land transport that moves on rail is train. Okay, children? Shall I erase? Okay. Done? Next page. Okay, children? Take out the next page. Yeah, right. Visit the nearest railway station, bus stand or airport in your town or city and write 5 sentences about it. Or write a paragraph describing a train, ship or aeroplane journey you have made recently. What you are going to do? Either you can visit the railway station or bus stand or airport in your town or city, or even you can write 5 sentences on it, or even you can describe a paragraph by writing a train, a ship or aeroplane journey you have made recently. Understood, children? Next one is what? Project work. Find out from your classmate how they travel to school. What you are going to find out from your classmate? How they travel to school. Make a chart to show which means of transport is most common used by your classmate. Yes, children, you are going to see which is the most commonly used means of transport by your classmate. Now next is hands-on. Make a model of any means of transport. What you are going to prepare any model means of model. You are going to prepare a model of any means of transport. You could use material like cardboard, box, thermocol, play dough or waste material or clay. Paint the model to make it look colorful. As you can see the model in the picture how they have done. Okay. If I will final those activity, whichever activity you have to do compulsory, I will WhatsApp on group. Next is what? Life skill and values. Being aware. Study the train ticket. As you know, children, you are going by train from one place to another. If you want to go to your granny home, might be you people are busy, you people are using a means of transport as a train. You might have seen a train ticket also. If you have not seen, you can ask to your parents. Study the train ticket given below. What is this? This is a train ticket. Try and find out the following information from the ticket. Yes, children, what you are going to see, you are going to tell to your parents that show me the train ticket whichever you are available. Then what you are going to see in this? The date of travel, the time and place of departure and arrival where it is writing, okay, written, the cost of ticket, the name and the number of train, the number of passengers traveling by the ticket, the age of the passenger and the passengers, the seat and the coach number allotted to the passenger or passengers. Yes, children, understood? Or either you can do paste a used bus, train or plane ticket in your scrapbook. Now already you might be visiting anywhere by bus or by train, but most of them might be visited plane ticket also. If you are having, you can paste those tickets in your scrapbook and collect all possible information from it and note it down below the ticket. Okay, children, for example, you are pasting the ticket of bus. You can notate the information about bus, what is the there, like how they have gave the about detail about the train. The same way you can write about train, bus or plane ticket on a scrapbook. Okay, children, understood? Yes, what is this? This is a train ticket. As you can see, these many points. What are the points? Date and rate of travel. Yes, you can see date of travel. Yeah. What is the journey of reservation ticket? What is the train name? You can see how many passengers they are going to travel. What is the age of passenger? What is the cost of train ticket? Yes, what is the time of arriving and departure? You can see in the train ticket. Okay, children? Yes, children, what we have done today what we have learned in the today's session, we have solved some textbook exercise of lesson number 2, means of communication, and even we have seen enrichment activities of lesson number 2 as well as lesson number 1. Now in the next session, what we are going to learn, we are going to start with the new lesson, that is lesson number 3. In the next session we will see lesson number 3. Until that time, what you are going to do? You are going to open your Canopy textbook and you are going to read. Once again, you are going to read lesson number 2, that is means of communication. Yes, children. Whenever I will take a meeting on WhatsApp, I am going to ask you to read the book. Okay. Till that time, in the next session, we will see lesson number 3. Till that time, bye bye. See you. Take care. Thank you.